Actionable. And to be actionable, there should be some tasks, clear ones, or actions to take so you can accomplish your goal. Just ask yourself if you can divide your goal into some individual tasks to accomplish them. Let's take some examples. The first one is the merchandising company. Do you remember it? Yes, our merchandising company. I want to increase sales. This is specific. By selling 3,000 pieces of clothes. This is measurable. But if we continue and say 1,000 for each month, now we have actions or we have some tasks to do. So when we sell 1,000 pieces of clothes for each month and for 3 months, now we will accomplish our goal by doing all of these three tasks. 1,000 pieces for each month. And if you take the second example for the student who wants to be good in English language, he says, I want to be good in English language. This is specific. By learning the four skills. This is measurable. What if he says, each skill for 2 months? Now this is actionable. This is an actionable goal. And that's all for this lecture. And see you in the next lecture.